on the interstate, numerous state troopers, followed by a line. Everything's blocked off, followed by a line of duplicate convoy freight trains.
We've seen at least 30 so far, and here's a whole new set of trucks coming up. Some red trucks.
I want to reiterate, the interstate is blocked off.
Coca-Cola trucks?
No incoming traffic, now it's Coca-Cola.
Endless trucks. That's all there is on the road. There's no other cars on the road.
This is Interstate 64, Richmond.
Get ready, man. Some other trucks.
No idea what's going on. This is getting more and more bizarre. Back to Conway. No.
Walmart. Now it's only Walmart trucks. Are we in the Twilight Zone?
Walmart.
I've never seen anything like this.
1 minute and 5 seconds of driving at 65 miles an hour.
Stop. It's just endless trucks. No other cars can come on the road. The police are on this entrance.
All interstates
They're
blocked
blocking
off.
all other cars. Now it just seems to be random trucks. CVS.
Is anybody else? Yes, they're filming it. Other people are filming it. This is a phenomenon. More state troopers. We've seen at least 10 to 15 so far.
Over 100 trucks. Well over 100 trucks. With no
More
cars.
state trooper.
Dang, look at all these cops.